Hey everyone, are you looking for a great campsite with beautiful views and lots of beach? Well, this is Sebastian Inlet State Park, and it's just 15 minutes south of Melbourne, Florida, and under 1 hour north of Fort Pierce on the Atlantic Ocean. Stay tuned, I hope you enjoy this video. Just off of Florida's A1A highway, you have Sebastian Inlet State Park. It's one of Florida's many beautiful state parks. This state park has so much to offer: boating, kayaking, beach. It's sure not to disappoint. Once you check in at the guardhouse, they'll give you a map and you'll go right to your spot. We had site number 8, right on the bay. The view here was to die for. Every morning we'd wake up, we'd come out, sit around this table, and watch the dolphin play right here in this bay. As you can see, the girls are already collecting shells right here.
I hate those things.
Just across the bridge, still inside Sebastian Inlet State Park, you'll find this beach. It's a small pool with jetties around it which stop the waves from the boats coming in and out of the inlet. It's very nice because it's only about 4 to 5 feet deep, so the kids can play in there. At low tide, it gets very low. You can put your chairs right in the water, and the water comes up to your knees. At this time of the evening, it's not very busy, but it is open to locals. It's about $8 per vehicle, and on the weekends, it tends to get very busy. The nearby bridge is a very popular fishing spot with locals and campers as well. It's very nice to come here and fish and watch the sunset. Here's a view of the beach area, and you can see with the rocks that form the jetty to prevent waves and current from coming in. Just a second, I'll show you how strong the current really is under this bridge. Check out this current I told you about. I can just imagine the undertow here. I'd hate to be stuck in that. With over 180 species of birds visiting Sebastian throughout the year, it's a great place for bird watchers and nature lovers to come visit. As well as birds, Sebastian is a premier fishing spot on the Florida's East Coast, and it attracts anglers nationwide. Some of the fish you can catch here are snook, redfish, bluefish, and even Spanish mackerel. Every evening, dozens of people come out to this fishing pier for entertainment and also, I guess, to catch dinner. Some nights were more crowded than others, depending on the moon phase. Check out this nice boat coming through the inlet. You really gotta be an experienced captain to navigate these rough waters. We like to hang out in that small beach area that I showed you, because the Atlantic Ocean tends to be very rough. You can see the erosion here from the constant waves beating on it. And when the kids play here, we usually have to keep a close eye on them because there's current, undertow, and it gets deep really fast. It's enjoyable, but you just gotta keep an eye on them.
Look. Climbed up to $100,000. Actually, climbed up to $100,000. That's it.
Right?
Get over there.
What?
Look.
Right there, look at that. See anything down there?
Oh, look at Oh my god. Huge, gigantic I do not like this.
So stand on the concrete. The fishermen here use a variety of different bait to catch their fish. This guy here was using live bait which he caught with a casting net earlier in the evening. You hook that to the hook and you throw it out. And hopefully you catch something bigger. You catch them with the net and you get live bait. That guy's all over the place. If you got one.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. A big one. Gosh, it's fighting. Tried to put his foot down on it, but it flipped on.
He's jumping.
Oh, there we go.
I know, they're so slippery.
Jana, let me take one of you over here then.
Okay, move on.
Jana.
Here's a glimpse of the beach on the Atlantic side. You can see how rough the water is.
But this one's like, you can kind of see it. Can you see it?
Yeah.
I found another one, but the crab will come out. This one I found 3 crab shells, and Gianna's found 1 so far. Yeah. Pretty big.
Conveniently located in the middle of the loop, you have the bathhouse with several bathrooms and showers. Next to the vending machines, you have washer and dryers available. Since this wasn't a full hookup, I had to use my rhino tank, and I installed this rhino tank carrier on the back bumper, which came in very handy.
Hey guys, so right now my dad is dumping the black tank into the 36-gallon Rhino tote.
Step number 1 is putting on gloves.
You always need to put on gloves, because if you don't, then your hands will get really dirty and musty.
Once your rhino tank is full, you hook it up to your hitch and tow it to the dump station. Now I'll give you a look at some of the preferred sites with a view of the ocean. Sites 1 through 14, they all have this small road behind you that leads to the boat dock, but it's pretty much on the water. The kids can run across the street and go inside this small bay area. If you wake up early in the morning and you look out your window, you can see dolphin playing inside this small bay. It's a beautiful thing. None of the pads are concrete. They are small gravel or grass, so you will need leveling blocks to level your camper. Overall, we love Sebastian Inlet State Park. The only downside was the No-See-ums, or the invisible mosquitoes. They were really bad this time of year. It was April. So I'd be prepared if you are going to stay here to put on some Skin So Soft or light some candles to prevent this. Well, that's it from Sebastian Inlet State Park. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it informative, please like and subscribe. We'll be posting more videos shortly. If there's anything you'd like to see in the South Florida area, please leave us a comment below. See you guys real soon.